Kule question 2 sizobe sisolve ama equations. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Check out the description box uzothola ama links for other questions engophendulile for the question paper lena. Now, lana we are solving ama equations. It's just a mixture of all the equations. Well, not all, but a handful yawo lama equations in a quadratic, sinama exponential, sinama inequality equations, as well as a simultaneous equation lapha ekugcineni. So check out the description box. There's also a link to another channel engicreatile for ama lessons only. Now we interested, check it out as well. I'd appreciate it now be a subscriber to that channel as well. Now lagu 2.1 basipha a set of two equations. 2.1 2.1.1 basiphe this 3x minus 1 x plus 2. Ngendlela ilula ngayo le equation le kwamele uyisolve ucimezile. Nami ngizovala amehlo manje ngisolve. Kuyoba u3x minus 1 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to not minus, it's 1 over 3. Aha, back. Okay, but ngibe writing yami be sequence nyana la, right? So this is zero factor law. This is the zero factor law. If ngina 2 yama brackets a multiplier equal to 0, it means that this or this is equal to 0. Then uthatha this, we equate it to 0, then you solve for x. That's how simple this question is. So okay, I think yekele so noma I writing yami I snacks nje ngizoyekela so 2.1.2 lana basiphe a exponential equation 3x minus 1 equal to 3. Now this is an exponential equation. How do you tell this is an exponential equation? It's because the exponent yamla, the x, the unknown is a exponent, right? It's an exponent. So the x is an exponent. It means that lana we are dealing with what? A exponential equation. So uma exponential equation, especially these types of equations where unabu x ezindaweni ezihlukahlukene njengala, you need to move everything in a exponent ka x to one side. In our case, bas arrange everything la. So there's no need to bring with 3 to the left, mekele jongoba anjalo la ku right hand side. Then x 3 raised to exponent x minus 2 times 3 raised to exponent x times 3 raised to exponent minus 1 equal to 3. You need to break the exponently. Yes, you need to break the exponently. So about 3x 3 raised to exponent minus 1 kanjalo ke. So after breaking ama exponent yakho, you take out 3 raised to exponent x, 3 raised to exponent x as a common factor yakho ke. Then so about 3 okay, red guy red. Now so 3 raised to exponent x is equal to, so keep out 3 raised to exponent x ngisala no 1 minus 2 times 3 exponent minus 1 equal to 3. Then siyaqhubeka solve our 3 raised to exponent x, 1 minus 2 over 3 equal to 3x. We simplify what's inside the bracket, so ulana 1 minus 2 over 3, it's 3 lapha. 3 minus 2, it's 1 over 3 equal to 3. Alright, then siyaqhubeka ke manje. I need to divide or multiply by the multiplicative inverse, but we are taught ukuthi we divide la, right? You can either divide 1 over 3, 1 over 3. 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 3, it's 1. So salalo 3 raised to exponent x. 3 divided by 1 over 3, it's 3 raised to exponent 2. Basically, it's 9. Or ungavele uthi, okay, instead of dividing the multiplier by 3 over 1, the multiplicative inverse of 1 over 3. Ubuye multiplying with 3 over 1. 3 times 3, it's 3 squared. Therefore, you just drop my exponents. X is equal to 2. This is your answer again. Aksu 8 to 3 lo. Yes? So now I answer 8 again. 2.2. The second part of the question. This time in a inequality equation. Inequality equation. Grade 11 was grade 11 and 12 you told us something called a quadratic inequality, right? It's a quadratic equation with an inequality sign. So this is just an inequality, a linear inequality equation. So lana we are given 2.1.1, but this is solve for x in the inequality. So it's minus 1 less than or equal to 1 minus 2x over 3 less than 5. So lana it's an interval notation, get it? It's in an interval, a range up between -1 and 5. So in such an inequality, the first thing we yenzayo, okay, the idea is to isolate x or make x the subject. So the first thing is we transpose 1 to the left, so we transpose it to the right. So give about -1 minus 1. This one naga figure about -1 less than or equal to salu minus 2x over 3 less than about 5 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is negative 2 less than or equal to 2x over 3 less than 4. Then remember, sifuna isolate ubani x. We want to make x the subject. So I need to multiply ngapha ngo3, ngibuye multiply ngapha ngo3, ngibuye multiply ngapha ngo3. Why? I want to remove ubani 3 or solve for the fraction. So we multiply by 3, we multiply by 3, we multiply by 3. So that kuba minus 6 la. Sale minus 2x lo 3 akansele lo 3 bese kuba 12 la. Yes, then we divide by ubani negative 2. So we is divided by a negative 2 and a negative 2. So lana kuba x, lana kube negative 6, lana kube ubani 1. But the moment you divide a negative sign, whenever you deal on inequalities, the direction of the inequality signs as we change our direction. But the final answer it should be negative 6 less than x less than or equal to 1. This is my final answer. Uma ubhala interval notation, you always start with the lowest value, then ugcina nga the highest value. Uyabona ekuqaleni basiphe the smallest number ngapha left, basipha the bigger number on the right. So this is our answer for the inequality. 2.2.2 bayasibuza ke manje. It's a question. Write down the number of integers that will satisfy the inequality. Integers. Negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So solution yethu ikuphi? Negative 1, 0. Oh, iqala la ku6, phelela ku1. Sorry about this. Phelela lana ku1, phelela lana ku1. Athi ngilungise la. iqala ngapha ku negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, 6, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah. Alright, but mangayike ama-integers azo-satisfy le inequality le, right? So the first one nayi u5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now okay, write down the number of integers that will satisfy the inequality. Basically bathi mangayike ama-integers ayi-solution to this inequality azowenza this inequality ukuthi ibe correct. So i-solution yethu ithi abu-x bethu sibathola between -6 and 1 included. The negative 6 is excluded. Less than or equal to means that included, negative 6 excluded. Uyabona? Bheka ke sibala ama-integers esiwatholayo between u-negative 6 nobani no 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So our solution la, it should be 7 integers. Azoba 7 ama-integers azo satisfy this equation. 2.3, solve for x and y simultaneously. 2.3, so lana solving. Okay, with our simultaneous equations you have three options. You have the graphical method to simplify. That's the first option. Second option, substitution method, right? Number 3, elimination method. That's the third method. So it's up to you to say inside this one, or this one, right? So lana into singayenza, we can use eliminate substitution method. 7 sayon. So lana kuzoba x minus 4 equal x minus y equal to 4. Equation number 1 about x over 5 plus y over 2 equal to 5. Equation number 2. Then uzothatha equation 1 and make x the subject of the formula. X, you take this equation 1 and make x the subject of the formula. So give about y minus y plus 4. No y negative nakafika to the right yoba ubani, yoba positive. So the 4 is positive as well. So equation number 3. Right. So I'm using a substitution method. Keep in mind. So now 7 substitution method, the idea is to take a variable with a coefficient of 1 and make the variable the subject of the formula. I could have taken y, but I decided to ngithathe ubani x ngoba the y unjani negative. Now you transpose x nosala negative. That's extra work for me. So that's why I decided ukuthatha ubani x. Angeke ngikhona ukuthatha equation 2 and make x or y the subject ngoba sinama fractions la, which is something esizama ukuyenzana ukuyi-avoid ke la. Now bese ngithatha equation number 3, substitute u3 into equation number 2. I cannot substitute equation 3 to equation 1 ngoba equation 1 nguye oproduce equation number 3. So where there's x, ngiyofaka x plus y. So now equation number 2, la kuno x khona ngiyofaka y plus 4 divided by 5 plus y over 2 is equal to 5. The reason why babies with the substitution method, it's because of this substitution as the substitution ga equation number 3, right? So LCM is equal to 10, right? Is equal to 10. Or ngavele uthi 2 times lapha, 5 times lana, then we have 5 times 2. 2 times that, it's 2y, plus 2 times y, it's 2y, 2 times 4, that is 8. 5 times y, that is 5y, equal to, divided by the LCM, which is 5 times 2, 10, equal to 5. Therefore, we are able to divide by 1, you cross multiply again. So, siyabuya 1 times that, ngithola 2y plus 8 plus 5y, 10 times 5, that is 50. Then we solve for y. But first, number like terms la. Ngiyaqhubeka ngapha. 2y plus 5y, that is 7y, plus 8 is equal to 50. 7y, 50, minus 8, 7y is equal to 42, divided by 7, 7y, then lana kuyoba 6. Then you take the 6, uthatha u6 wakho substitute back to equation number 3 and find value kabani ka x. Now value ka x is equal to, where there's y ngifaka 6, 6 plus 4, x is equal to 10. This is our final answer. So question 2 wethu uzophelela lana, guys. Check out the description box for more content, as well as a link to another channel. So for now, please like, please share, please subscribe nangabu new to this channel. So yeah, asibonane on the next video. Bye bye for now.